You're going to find out everything about the fad diet. Before we get started, if you'd like to know how I personally lost over 20 pounds over the last few months, click the link in the description below. Now, a fad diet is a diet that is popular for a time, similar to fads in fashion, without being a standard dietary recommendation, and often promising unreasonably fast weight loss or nonsensical health improvements. There is no single definition of what is a fad diet, encompassing a variety of diets with different approaches and evidence bases, and thus different outcomes, advantages, and disadvantages, and it is ever-changing. Generally, fad diets promise short-term changes with little efforts and thus may lack educating consumers about whole diet, whole lifestyle changes necessary for sustainable health benefits. What are the top 7 fad diets? 7 popular diets of the past decade. Keto diet, intermittent fasting, vegan diet, Weight Watcher, Paleo diet, Mediterranean diet, low-fat diet. What does fad diet mean? A fad diet is a trendy weight loss plan that promises dramatic results. Typically, these diets are not healthy and don't result in long-term weight loss. Why is fad diet bad? Once you're through with the fad diet, you'll probably gain the weight back as you re-establish old eating habits. Fad diets are also bad because they usually require the elimination of foods that aren't bad for you, which can result in nutritional deficiencies. Are fad diets sustainable? Fad diets will not result in long-term weight loss because these diets do not promote healthy and sustainable diet and lifestyle habits. Food-specific fad diets rely on the myth that some foods have special properties that can cause weight loss or gain, but no food can. Who invented the fad diet? 1930s. The diet, established by William Hay, an American doctor, became one of the most famous early fad diets. It was based on Hay's idea that food was either protein, starch, or neutral. Protein and starch, he believed, should not be eaten in the same meal. Famous followers included Henry Ford. Fad diets are often promoted with exaggerated claims, such as rapid weight loss of more than 1 kilogram per week or improving health by detoxification, or even dangerous claims, such as highly restrictive and nutritionally unbalanced food choices leading to malnutrition or eating non-food items like cotton wool. Highly restrictive fad diets should be avoided. At best, fad diets may offer novel and engaging ways to reduce calories intake, but at worst they may be medically unsuitable to the individual, unsustainable, or even dangerous. Dietitian advice should be preferred before attempting any diet. Celebrity endorsements are frequently used to promote fad diets, which may generate significant revenue for the creators of the diets through the sale of associated products. Regardless of their evidence base, or lack thereof, fad diets are extremely popular, with over 1,500 books published each year, and many consumers willing to pay an industry worth $35 billion per year in the United States. About 14 to 15% Americans declare having used a fad diet for short-term weight loss. Although fad diets may have a negative connotation for health professionals, some have scientific evidences and therapeutic applications, such as the ketogenic diet for epilepsy or caloric restriction and the Mediterranean diet for obesity and diabetes, and several producing similar benefits to commercial diets or standard care when done under professional supervision. The most popular diet trends. So you want to clean up your diet? Good for you. Except that now you have to pick a plan from the endless number of diet trends. Many diets claim to offer anti-inflammatory benefits, burn fat, and give you energy, but which of the promises are true? Here's what to know about the most popular diet trends this year. The ketogenic diet. The high-fat, low-carb keto diet is responsible for some impressive weight loss transformations, but is also notoriously difficult to follow. The main premise is that by greatly lowering carb intake, you'll force your body into a state of ketosis, which means it burns fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. Only about 10% of your daily calories will come from carbs, while roughly 80% comes from fat, like avocado, nuts, and oil. Obviously, this means bread is out. Many starchy vegetables, oats, and fruit are also off limits. It's so restrictive that many dietitians generally advise against following the plan and instead finding something that's more sustainable long-term. The Paleo diet. This popular diet shares similarities to keto, but the caveman diet is actually different in many ways. Proponents of paleo say that eliminating gluten and consuming plenty of veggies can reduce inflammation in your body. Inflammation has linked to diseases like cancer, diabetes, and arthritis, and certain processed foods, like soda and refined carbohydrates, have been linked to an increase in inflammation. Whole30. Developed as an elimination diet to help people figure out how foods impact them physically and mentally, the main premise is to eat nothing but veggies, fruit, nuts and meat for 30 days. That means no quinoa, oats, yogurt, added sugar, like honey, or alcohol. At the end of the 30 days, advocates claim you'll feel transformed. But is it doctor recommended? This doctor-backed diet was developed to prevent and lower high blood pressure, hence its name, dietary approach to stop hypertension. The plan is heart-healthy and may help you lose weight and lower heart disease risk too. And the best thing about it is that there are no crazy rules, according to Jennifer Koslow, RD. No food groups are eliminated, it's just a very healthy diet overall. Mediterranean diet. This diet gets a lot of hype, and some of his praise was called into question last June when the New England Journal of Medicine retracted a major 2013 study that claimed the Mediterranean diet reduced the risk of heart attack and stroke. That's because the 2013 research did not meet the standards of a randomized, controlled trial, so there wasn't enough evidence to support the study. However, that doesn't mean this diet isn't still worth following. Learn why it's still one of the healthiest overall plans. Of course, you have to figure out another hurdle after picking the best diet for you, cooking. Depending on your level of comfort in the kitchen, that can add yet other frustration to those you're already undergoing from all the changes these diets require. Don't sweat. We have your back. And your gut, and your biceps, and your general health and well-being too. We've done all the heavy lifting to decode the trendiest diets and figure out the health benefits. Sort through the options below to determine which popular eating strategies may help you make the transformation you want. We've also included easy meal plans, recipes, and shopping guides to help ease the transition. Realize that you don't want to try any of these diets? That's fine too. There are plenty of smart lessons to take away from each plan even if you never end up following them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more, and click the link in the description below to learn about an amazing diet program.